Assessment Task 9 focuses on reviewing and evaluating the 9 lessons you delivered in Task 8. You'll reflect on your teaching, document learner progress, gather feedback, and suggest improvements. In this task, you'll complete a single template for each student group, capturing your observations, feedback, self-reflections, and any modifications made across the 9 lessons. Before you begin, make sure you're using the correct template. There are 3 templates in total, one for each student group, and each template has space to complete your reflections on the 3 lessons delivered for that group. Here's a quick overview of what to include, along with one example that follows through all 4 sections. First, learner progress notes. Describe what the learner achieved or improved on during the lesson. For example, Liam floated unassisted for the first time. Next is feedback. Write 2 short pieces of feedback from learners, parents, carers, or your supervisor. For example, parent, Liam still looks unsure when starting new skills. Then, self-evaluation. Reflect on your own teaching. What went well? What could be improved? Example. Instructions were clear, but I didn't check for understanding before starting the activity. Finally, modifications. Note changes you made or plan to make based on feedback or your own reflections. For example, added a quick demonstration before each new activity to build confidence. Keep your responses short, clear, and relevant. You're not just completing paperwork, you're showing that you can reflect, adjust, and grow in your role as a swim teacher. Once you've completed all sections for each of the 9 lessons, take the time to review your templates before submitting. Make sure every section is fully completed. Templates with missing or vague information may be returned for resubmission. Aim to keep your responses short, clear, and specific. A few well-chosen sentences are better than long paragraphs or one-word answers. Remember, writing none or leaving a field blank isn't enough. Each section must include 2 relevant pieces of information. If your handwriting is hard to read, we strongly recommend using the editable PDF version of the template. This ensures your work is neat, legible, and easier for the assessor to review. Finally, scan your completed templates clearly and save them in a safe place. You'll need them when it's time to submit your full portfolio. If you're asked to resubmit Task 9, take it as a chance to strengthen your work. Start by reviewing the feedback carefully and make any required changes clearly and neatly. Make sure your updates are easy for the assessor to read and understand. That brings us to the end of this guide. Remember, you can always revisit this video or any of the others if you need a refresher. Refer to your handbook regularly. It outlines the full process to becoming a licensed swim teacher and includes key information on tasks, submission, and next steps. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the public training team Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. They're here to help. Thanks for watching and well done on the progress.